Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Citi card statement credits set up for eligible purchases. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Citi card statement credits set up for eligible purchases, start by logging into your Citi account online. Navigate to the credit card section of your account. Locate the Account Services or Rewards tab. Click on the tab to reveal available options. Select Enroll for statement credits or a similar option. Read the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. If you agree, click on the Agreement button or checkbox to continue. Next, choose the offer for eligible purchases you wish to enroll in. Review the listing of available offers and select the one that suits your needs. Once selected, confirm your enrollment by clicking the appropriate button. You may need to provide additional information, such as purchase categories or spending limits. After confirmation, take note of the activation date and any specific requirements for the offer. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding your enrollment. Make your eligible purchases according to the terms outlined in the offer. Monitor your account statements to ensure that the statement credits are applied. If you don't see the credits after the specified time frame, contact Citi customer service for assistance. Now you're all set to take advantage of your Citi card statement credits for eligible purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.